Hey, it's Christy Z from Zeal Studio and Zeal Vintage on Etsy. These are some of my favorite dollar store finds for summer 2023, starting in the bedroom. This seems really basic, but it is this new laundry room carrying, I don't even know what to call it. It's a bag. It fits so much laundry, but I can carry it down 2 flights of stairs with one hand very easily, unlike a laundry basket where when you're trying to carry it down the stairs and you're holding it with 2 hands, you cannot hold on to the railing. So I bought 2 of these, and I think I'm gonna go buy one for my neighbor because I think she will really appreciate it. My second favorite thing is straw hats. We are in a heat wave. We set a heat record on Monday at 35 degrees plus. So I always count on the dollar store to have these straw hats. I've even had this black one for like 15 years. It's one of my favorites and it's held up. I also love their serving trays at the dollar store. They have both acrylic and wooden, different types of serving trays. This one has a tropical pattern. I've actually had this one for a couple years now, and it's kind of dirty because I use it all the time. This is one of my favorite hacks for making over your outdoor deck. I purchased 4 of these outdoor straw acrylic mats from the dollar store. I wanted to get all black and white, but I couldn't find any more of them, so I got 1 black and white and 3 of the pink and white stripes. But this year I was going for a pink Barbie themed deck, and these mats really helped set the tone for the decor out on the deck. I think they're fabulous. They add such a big pop of color. They're so inexpensive. I think they were like $4 each. So I got all 4 for about, I don't know, $15 or $16. Not only that, because my deck is kind of warped, it really makes it more comfortable in the heat and on my feet. Okay, these are some outdoor gardening things that have totally helped me make over my deck. I got these shepherd hook holders, and what I did was initially they came with these weird cowbells on them. I took the cowbells off and I purchased these solar lanterns, and then I just bent them a little bit and I put the solar lanterns onto the shepherd's hooks, making these gorgeous solar lights for nighttime. I also got both of my hanging box plants for my deck fence, and also these purple hanging plant holders, which I've planted some Shasta daisies. Now the daisies haven't quite bloomed yet, but so far they've held up really well, and I was amazed that they actually fit on such a large fence decking. I also got this hanging basket, which I planted some morning glories, and this garden seeds box is so cute. This is one of my favorite finds as well. I tucked all of my garden seeds in there, and it's such a cute, not only decor item for my deck, but it keeps my seeds all safe and dry. Now, of course, the dollar store has tons of planters, and I picked up so many planters there. Now, I do prefer the ceramic planters, like this pink textured planter, but they do have lots of different acrylic planters and different planter boxes and that type of stuff. I also picked up this extra folding table, which is meant to be used on a bed as a tray, but I use it outside of my deck for extra plant space. Now, of course, the Dollar Tree and the Dollarama, the dollar store, wherever you go, one thing they have great in the summertime are these outdoor solar lights. These particular crackle glass ones, they have a whole series of these, and these remind me of glasses that I got at Pier 1 Imports about 10 years ago. They're so expensive looking and beautiful, and they set off the most gorgeous stream of light. Now, of course, when I first started my deck, I only had fake plants. I had these 2 big fake plants, which I got at the Dollarama, to cover up these gross pipes and stuff. Now let's talk about snacks. After all that gardening, you're gonna be hungry. I love these new brownies. I've never seen them before this year. They're called Mr. Brownie. They are soft, they are fluffy, and I love them. I also love these Welch's Freeze Pops at the dollar store. You know they're cheap, but these are made in Canada, no artificial flavors. They're made with juice, and instead of water, you're actually getting some nutrition. I also love these reusable white serving trays, and I use them for so many different things, not just to take to like a friend's house or a gathering with snacks, veggie trays, fruit trays, dessert trays. Those type of snacks fit really well on here. I also use them for myself just when I want to make something like a plate of these great salad rolls, which I'm gonna have to do a video on making these Vietnamese salad rolls. They're a great meal for when it's too hot to cook. Okay, this is one of the last items in the bathroom. I'm going to be doing a teeny tiny makeover under my mirror. Now, I love my bathroom. It's small, but it's super cute. It has a great mirror. Hello. I look like trash today because I have a migraine, and honestly, I'm just like, don't even want to show myself. But there is an area right above my sink where there's a couple scuffs. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these $4 stick-on tile panels in a metallic color. They come in all different colors and shapes. And now I realized I do need one more set, so I'm gonna have to go back and get one more, because when I measured, I didn't quite have enough. But what I'm gonna do is take them and just peel them off, stick them right underneath the mirror to cover that area where it kind of gets scuffy or it gets toothpaste marks on it. And I'm gonna do a mini makeover right under my mirror in my bathroom. So these tiles, like I said, are available in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. They're only $4 a pack. One pack will do a very small area, and for under $20, you can make over a whole area in your kitchen or your bathroom. Okay, you guys, this is the last item. This is the crackle glass that reminds me of the glasses that I got from Pier 1 Imports, which were so expensive. And these were so super cheap at Dollarama. They are a fairy light garden or indoor solar light. Now I have them outside right now charging because they need to be charged, but they have these super cute little fairy lights inside. So I actually use these for indoor decor in my office when I want some indirect mood lighting. And those are some of my all-time favorite finds this year at the dollar store in Canada for summer 2023. I hope you guys are having an awesome summer. I hope you find some really great buys at the dollar store to help make over every room in your house and your garden or your deck. Take care, stay safe, and be well. Have a crafty week, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.